Okay, we're cleaning stone with only water. Now, there are some streaks on the side of this bench top. And you will see when you're cleaning it, you can see the difference. That is all the crap that was removed. And it's just everyday stuff. It's nothing too crazy. But we're just using the pink Shyn Microfibre kitchen sponge. And then using our Shyn Ultimate glass cloth, we just wipe. Now, Amy's going a little bit slow because she's learning how to be present when she's cleaning. I'm just showing her how to see what you're removing from your sponge. Now, can you see how I'm faster? But it's very light. The way that I'm cleaning is very light because I know that the cloth is doing the job. And that's it. That is what you call a streak-free, maintaining your stone. Nothing special, nice and easy, only water.